In this experiment, the student was tasked to create a Grignard reagent, which would aid in the production of the compound Benzhydrol, which was later isolated. The reagent created in the lab is called phenyl magnesium bromide, which is known as a Grignard's reagent. The reagent is created by reacting bromobenzene with magnesium, where the magnesium is placed between the carbon and the bromide. In this experiment, the ether functions to place the magnesium on the bromobenzene, creating an organometallic reagent. In a Grignard reagent, there is a polarized carbon-to-metal covalent bond, in which the carbon has a negative charge. This creates a highly reactive carbanion, which will attack the backside of a carbonyl. The carbonyl in this experiment is benzaldehyde. It is super important to have completely dry conditions when working with this reaction. The carbanion in the Grignard reagent, due to be an extremely strong base, will immediately pull off a hydrogen from any water it comes into contact with, therefore preventing the reaction from ever taking place. Grignard reagents function via backside attack of the carbonyl, which creates an additional reaction. In this reaction, the Grignard reagent attacks the back of the carbonyl, creating a tertiary alcohol. In this experiment, the backside attack of the phenyl magnesium bromide leads to an additional reaction, where both the reagent and the benzaldehyde combine to form a precursor to benzhydrol. In order to create the benzhydrol, water must be present to pull off the magnesium and bromine atoms, while adding an H to the O to create an alcohol. Finally, to isolate the benzhydrol from the salt byproduct, the student adds hydrochloric acid to dissolve the salt, and then uses a separatory funnel to separate the two solutions. Wash the organic layer twice with 10 milliliters of sodium metabisulfate solution for several minutes. Then wash with 10 milliliters of sodium carbonate and 20 milliliters of water, and dry the aqueous later using an anhydrous sodium sulfate. Next, use a distillation to separate the ether. The raw product can be purified via recrystallization.